Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, you know we recently covered scheduled tasks in ChatGPT. Well, it looks like OpenAI has dropped another exciting update called Operator. I spent $200 testing it out so you don't have to, and in today's video I will break down exactly what Operator is, how it works, and most importantly, what it can do for a founder and content creator like us. As a quick note, Operator is only available for ChatGPT Pro users as of now. If you're new here, I'm an AI entrepreneur building multiple SaaS businesses as a one-person company. By leveraging the power of AI, I'm doing what used to require the entire teams. I'm also pursuing a master's degree in AI at Georgia Tech, deep dive into AI agents and their application to innovate and scale business and share all the knowledge with you along the way. Now, let's dive in. So what is Operator? Operator isn't a groundbreaking new concept, but it's a valuable step forward if you are familiar with Claude's computer use feature, which allows interaction with a browser. You'll recognize some similarities here. The key questions I want to ask though is, does it work as expected really? And is it beneficial for founders or creators like us? And where could this feature be headed in the future? So let's take a first look. Within a Operator, you can see the categories such as deliveries, shopping, or travel news here. As well as a integrate apps, you can see Airbnb here, or Fork. Nope. Or let's say TripAdvisor. You can see integrated website here. This integration already up and running, and from my experience, they are better place to start if you want to reliable result from Operator. But you can also add custom prompts here, like I will show you in a second. But just remember, this might require more fine-tuning. And also UI-wise, it's very similar. You can create a new conversation like ChatGPT, or you can see the alarms here. And I will touch this one later. But first example, one great way to use Operator, in my opinion, is for tracking AI news or other timely updates. So if we click on this one, we have a great example here, summarize the latest AI news. So let's try this one. Click it. And remember that this will definitely take longer than a typical prompt that you put it in the ChatGPT, as it goes through a browser and scrape multiple sources potentially and grab those results to you. So it definitely takes more time. That's why I said in the alarm, you can see now one task in progress. And a good thing is you can run multiple ones all together simultaneously, and it will show the result as it completes. So right now we just need to wait for this to be done. It's just cool to watch it. They go through a browser like we human do it. So even it goes through a browser, it doesn't bring me the report that I expected, like Perplexity or fellow AI, like having multiple information with great citation. It just gives me one part. Maybe it goes to the Axios, so I can do better adding more information here, like I never asked this question, so I don't even know if it would work or not. But in the meantime, we can try the second example I wanted to show. So for creators or founders, for us, automating content creation can be a game changer. So I tested Operator by asking to create and publish a threads post here. So I already ran before just to test out the credential part, but here I will ask again this one. Content should be, hello world, this is June, AI entrepreneur. This content was written by ChatGPT's operator. Fantastic. So let's see this one. And then unlike the first example, it actually is stopped in the login page because it requires credential from me. So then I had to take over the control and added the credential after the login. I was able to run this one. So if you look at this, it stopped here as Meta Threads asked me some questions, so I can show you how I would take over the control. And here, continue sharing to the Fediverse. Yes. And what if I finish up? And here, it asks me again. And here I can just return control to the operator. And if I go return to the operator, fantastic. And it will click this post. But it stopped again here. It says, content is ready to be posted on Thread. Should I go ahead and post it? I really like it as it stopped here so that I can review the content and approve the content. Here, yes, go ahead. It goes to my feed again. Maybe it will scroll down here. Yeah, so as you can see, we are successfully posting a content on Threads using Operator. So, but here's a caveat. It requires credential from us, and I'm not 100% sure my credentials are safe from OpenAI or OpenAI to take those for any usage in the future. So just be aware of that. And we can go back here. Yeah, I asked multiple tabs, but it's still the results are not the great. Like I said, not everything is perfect. For example, research task we just ran didn't perform as well as I hoped. Operators struggle to pull data from multiple sources and synthesize it effectively. Unlike the tools like Perplexity or Fellow AI currently, and Operator doesn't currently integrate with Scheduler that I introduced last week. For now, it's not as seamless solution for time-based automation. But I believe OpenAI will address this one in the very near future. Once they do it, we're likely to see the rise of true AI agents that can handle end-to-end tasks. And here's food for thought. With this advancement on the horizon, how could you use this technology to scale your business or streamline your content creation to save your time and effort? And my final verdict is it worth it? If you're considering ChatGPT Pro solely for Operator, I'll say hold off for now. It's fun and promising, but in my opinion, it's still in beta. That's it for today's deep dive into ChatGPT's Operator feature and its potential impact on your business and content creation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI innovation. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. And drop a comment below and let's discuss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.